to a bakkie.
It's not a bucket. It's a Hilux.
So, Orlando Pirates have released Uzakele Lipasa. In this video, I'm going to talk to Junior and So Vilakazi about where do they think the player should go. I asked the question when Orlando Pirates signed Abombo Tuma, what does it really mean for players like Lipasa? Because Radiopane is getting a chance. Lipasa was there as well. Mabasa is their most clinical striker. They also have evidence, Mahopa. Eventually, a month later, the question is answered. Lipasa is no longer a Pirates player. So where can he go next? Junior Kanye and So Vilakazi as well after Junior. Junior, your thoughts on Ulipasa? Are you happy that he's left Orlando Pirates? Do you think he made his mark there?
Fair enough for Orlando Pirates. Ngizo agree nabo mara lega salingile ngagree naye. But yakalipasa mfair. I mean ifane yakandlondlo fair enough. You given a chance injury free. Yes,
Well, he was injured for the last 12 months.
Yeah, but less we are.
Yeah, I think the whole season, he never played the whole season. I think he was
but
injured.
he was
the whole
injured
season. I think so. Unless I don't know. I just assumed Minuguti is injured. That's why he was not playing.
For me, Yang is the official statement.
I think he was injured.
I'm
Why
not too
wouldn't
sure.
they play him at all?
But he's got 4 years at Pirates, 4 3.
Sure.
So as come okay, there's some nigga benefit of doubt. Go 12 months.
Sure.
Okay, maybe ngoba guys are official. He was injured, but he was given a chance. Njengaba Bondlondo. So Pirates signed players with here and then ungadlali, wathola opportunity. Ezusha Butuma, bekumele imtshele yonke into. So given a chance, he never show up. Kunama game glimpses uvesile ku SuperSport nabamlona. But there's no code that can put you on the bench. Ithi ngibeke so specific ku Rivero, lo ngeke ngambona, angisifan ka Rivero, but he give players who abamnika back le nto ayifinayo. It doesn't put players who are so good. Nathi sithi masihlela studio watching the game, sithi this guy is good, he deserve on the bench. So uJose Rivero mangabe umhlulile uLipasa. Ayikho enye coach azokwazi ukuthi imele what I think what Ulipasa lenta nayo. So iPirates, I think it was too big for him. Made it straightforward because even noma ngabe uyoba injured kule 12 months, 3 years maybe alapha kuPirates 3 or 2 season, he did nothing. Yabo bebano evident, which is I believe mina bengeka be confident ngaphandle. He's got power enyaweni une speed. I mean ma speed uyi player, is strength sakho, I mean une advantage. So une power enyaweni. Also uyakwazi ukureceive pass. So there's I think Pirates ipressure imshayile there. Nenye into mfethu, I will be honest to you. Njoba ngisho mina ukubuyela
You're not unhappy that he's left? 100%.
No, Pirates did the right thing.
Okay.
Simple, yeah.
There's
I think
no,
Pirates
there's no
did.
blunder there.
No. There's no blunder because he never showed up for Orlando Pirates. Just we rap and quick. He never showed up for Orlando Pirates.
All right, let's look at where to next before I bring in So. Where do you think he can go next? He's a striker who scored goals at SuperSport United. He was a reliable striker even for ATS Galaxy as well. Where do you see him going then?
For ukuthi angasaki under pressure nabo Obit number 1 iceda ungena mele ba settle. Go there. Iba no Saleng as a former teammate. You understand? We understand. So just go there. I think you need to start afresh. He never played. The value, the more value goes down. We know the pass. So set the standard. With Chess Galaxy, we know. And Pirates, SuperSport. For the first 2 to sign Pirates, now was some nigga and I benefit of that. But he never played.
So Obit for you?
Obit or Kukune, which is Kukune Nyas, they love these big names. Yeah, we are Pirates, Chiefs, Sundowns, Kukune. I'm not too sure about which one is what they're trying to.
Oh, they're increasing the profile of their team. And it is true what you're saying. They're always signing
But
them.
the thing is,
it doesn't matter if it fits the player.
Yes, and then into he's still eager. Because former players, amanye coach, mina bachita nyaba supporter. Because in South Africa we tend to muntu makaqeda ukusuka Pirates or Chiefs, special 30, 32, 33. If he's eager, why not sign him? Usasena 42, usasena 12 years angayidlala 42, 43, 44. Yes, kunama player former na babo Ronaldo they do. Thiago Silva they do. As long as nazo chintsha indlela aphila ngayo. So isikhukhune they might sign him. Mara mina ngibona Obit, Skukune if not Obit, Skukune because they're going to pay him. Ngithi ne agent ya depend ukuthi negotiate kanjani.
Yeah.
Skukune they're going to pay him or siwelele. Just go there. CMI is going to give you a chance. Ngoba mina uSembhola last week. For me, it's unfortunate man ndiyamchita and somehow naye la angalungisi khona kumele alungise khona. I mean la kumele alungise khona I think you need to la khona into kumele ayilungise but ibhola lazi. If you can go there with their fan base, I mean, ngibonile they are already excited before badlala even official game. I think these 3 teams done for me.
All right. Masambe ke siye kumnomzana uTsovu lakazi simveke into ba yena ucinga ntoni ngalomcimbi kaLipasa ingaba uya kweyiphi na indlu uLipasa. All right, you've heard Junior's opinions on Lipasa and where he could potentially go. I'm going to ask Tso now about Ulipasa. Are you happy, number one, that is leaving? Did they give him a chance? And then lastly, where do you think he can go?
One was sorry for the boy that he was doing well with Super Sport and end up getting a call up while we are Paris got injured. Sorry, and hope that the boy has recovered fully. Yeah, definitely he will go. I think where things they started for him. Angayele kulontuzana kwi
TS Galaxy.
TS Galaxy ayoqala lapho. If not there, akayele kuswelele. Yeah, akayele.
Is he not a top 4 striker like Abo Skukun, Stellenbosch, or even Sundowns, Chiefs? Is he not that type of a striker?
No, he is. My worry is that he's been out for a long time. So when you're gonna go to those big 4 or 5 teams, now you're gonna have pressure. You need to now deliver, and no one's gonna have a patience with you because of. I mean, you've been out for a long time and never kicked almost the whole season. So now you're gonna come back in the big team. There's pressure. You need to deliver. So that's why, for me, I would say he must go to the teams that they don't have, a lot of pressure, where he can, build himself there, gain that confidence, like he did with Super Sport.
Yeah,
that's what I'm
that
saying.
loan.
Yeah, that loan, it helps him a lot.
He scored so many goals.
Yeah. Then he went to even selected to the Bafana.
Yeah.
So even now, I think if he can go to the team, like, if not TS Galaxy, Suwelele, or actually no, not Deben, Deben, man. Or other can even go la Obit, la Rustenburg, and there's no pressure there. He's gonna find his feet and he's gonna come back.
All right, there you go. Thank you very much to Tso. Thank you very much to Junior Kanye as well. Thank you very much to you as well for watching us. It is TV, Itiski Times, we're also spetting. For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me Tso. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.